Welcome. In this meditation, you're on a journey to manifest your dream life by programming your subconscious mind. Our subconscious can be very powerful, and it is always listening. And through this meditation, you can access your subconscious very easily and change the beliefs you hold about money and wealth to truly attract abundance in your life. I want you to lie down on a comfortable surface, or sit comfortably with your eyes closed and follow along with this meditation. If you start to fall asleep, don't worry because your subconscious mind never stops listening. Listen to this for 30 days straight for the best results. Let's start the journey of manifesting your dream life. I attract wealth effortlessly and abundantly. My financial growth is constant and unwavering. Prosperity flows to me in expected and unexpected ways. I am open to receiving unlimited wealth. Money comes to me easily and frequently. My wealth multiplies every day. I am a magnet for financial abundance. I am grateful for the wealth I have and the wealth that is on its way. I am financially free and secure. My income always exceeds my expenses. Wealth and prosperity are my birthright. I deserve to be rich and successful. Every day I am becoming richer and richer. My bank account is constantly growing. I am worthy of a life filled with luxury and abundance. Money flows to me freely and generously. I am open to all the wealth life has to offer. I am in control of my financial destiny. My actions create constant prosperity. I am attracting lucrative opportunities. I am a powerful creator of wealth. My financial future is secure and bright. I am open to new avenues of income. My wealth allows me to do good in the world. I am surrounded by abundance. I am a money magnet. Wealth comes to me from many sources. My wealth increases every day. I am financially thriving. I am grateful for the abundance in my life. I attract opportunities to make money. I am worthy of financial success. My wealth helps me create a positive impact. I am always open to receiving more money. I attract prosperity with ease. My financial success is inevitable. I am confident in my ability to create wealth. My financial situation is improving every day. I am a successful money manager. I am surrounded by opportunities to grow my wealth. I am aligned with the energy of abundance. My financial goals are within my reach. I am grateful for the money I have. I attract wealth and prosperity into my life. My wealth is growing beyond my wildest dreams. I am living a life of financial freedom. I am constantly attracting money and wealth. I am worthy of financial abundance. I am grateful for the financial opportunities that come my way. I am financially abundant and free. Remember, you are the architect of your own destiny. You have the power to create a life filled with purpose, joy, and abundance. Continue to nurture your mind with positive affirmations, believe in yourself and your dreams, and trust that the universe is always working in your favor. Your journey to abundance begins now. If you liked this, then check out our videos above. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this one.